Hi folks, this is a short movie on how to package your resume for email delivery. I'm working today with a series of documents from Julie A. Jackson, who's applying for an English instructor's position. We are working here with a table ready. You're looking at a table ready resume. Then the next document I want to show you is the e-resume that is unformatted and ready to paste into the email. And then finally I have a cover letter here. I want to make a quick comment about cover letters here because I mentioned in our class we said that I would talk to you in an email about letterhead. You know, letterheads aren't necessary in this assignment because you're pasting this text into an email, so it's not necessary to have a letterhead of any kind for this assignment. So let me show you very quickly the steps to package this for your delivery to me on September 30th. First of all, go back to your table ready print resume, and I'm going to show you a couple of ways to save this in Microsoft Word, and it will work similarly according to what we discussed on Wednesday night in Apple programs as well on a Mac. So here you'll just go to File, Save As an Adobe PDF. You'll get a dialog box here where you'll type the name in. Be sure that the name of the file has your name in it, and be sure that the Save As type is a PDF. Then you can simply save it into the folder of your choice so you can find it, and that will be one way to create it. I'm going to show you a second way that may look more like the Mac users will see. That is to save as rather than to save as a PDF, just to save as. And here you'll go to Word document and change it to PDF. Be sure that your name is the way you want it in the file name, and save. Now, when you do that, you will need to open up your Adobe Reader, or whichever you have, Adobe Reader or Adobe Acrobat Pro. Go to the file where you placed it. Just give me a second, because I'll have to go to it. Open it up. And hopefully this is going to work in Reader. You want to test it. There we go. There's the PDF ready for shipping. Looks good. So I'm going to close that PDF. So I'm going to attach that, and then I'm going to close the Word version of this resume. And we'll save it, and we have just the email text open and the scannable resume open. Now go to your email browser, start with a new browser. I'm going to ask you to run a test first, send it to yourself. Be sure that you use a subject line that's descriptive, application for, and she was applying for English instructor number 150. Be sure you get that right. I'm going to double check to make sure that is correct. English instructor 150 is correct. Back here, I'm going to copy this, and one way is just to select and copy like that. Go back to my email message, and now I'm going to paste it in. There it is. Not crazy about how these tabs look in an email, so I'm going to take those out. Do whatever editing you need to do. Check your text to see how it looks. Looks good. I'm going to go below this, type in e-resume below. You may not be able to see this, but I'm putting a little line there above my signature. Now I'm going to go to the scannable email resume. Show you a little trick. You can go to select all, and then you can copy from there. Go back to your message. Make sure your cursor is where you want to place this, and paste. And there we have the scannable resume below, the email resume below, the letter above. Now attach your PDF. I'm looking for Julie A. Jackson PDF. It is inserted, and now I'm going to send it to myself. It'll take just a second to get here. There it is. And I can double check it in my email just to make sure it comes through just fine. Looks good. PDF is readable. It opens up just fine. So now I'm ready to repeat the process to the actual applicant. So you'll type in the actual, if you were actually sending this out, you would type in the actual applicant addressee. In this case, for the course, you're going to send it to me. So you type in my name and then your job application, drop everything in and send it off. Hope this works well for you, and have a good week. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.